Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking a simple, reliable control, one hand behind the opponent's knee, the other securing the ankle or hip. Drop your level and step your lead leg between their legs. This creates the angle and pressure you need. Drive forward with your shoulder into their thigh while pulling the leg towards you to break base. Once done, keep your posture tight and knees bent so you don't get sprawled on. Make sure to maintain chest contact to control posture and balance. You now create the critical off-balance and lift. Rotate your hips roughly 45 degrees and pinch the leg with your elbows to remove space. Use your legs to lift, not your back, driving through the rear leg while pulling the captured limb into your torso. As you elevate, step to the outside with your trail foot to open the angle. This makes the opponent lighter. Once lifted, guide their knee past your hip line so gravity and rotation finish the movement cleanly and safely. You finish by driving forward and turning your torso to bring the opponent down on their back. As the leg clears your hip, step through and drop your level, using your shoulder to guide them while controlling their head or far arm to stop recovery. If they posture up or sprawl, immediately resecure the ankle, sit back, and circle to the opposite side to regain angle. Make sure to keep chest pressure and re-establish the two-hand control before attempting the final trip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.